Hi, how you doing? So I'm back again with a nice, what I call a midweek easy pasta. This is chicken and mushroom with tomato, a little bit of chili in there. Takes no time at all. Nothing too fancy, just nice and quick, nice filler. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. Really nice and simple. So I've got 200 grams there of mushrooms, cut them quite big actually. 1 can of tomatoes, that was a whole plum tomato, I just sort of crushed it up with my hand. 1 chicken breast, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano and 2 teaspoons of chili powder or chili flakes or some cayenne pepper, whatever you got. A few little black olives, and then I'm adding this extra stuff, you don't have to, I'm going to add some sweet corn in there and some bell peppers. And if you want, put some celery in or some zucchini, something like that, just sort of bulk it out a bit, give it an extra flavour. We're going to start this off with some salt, pepper and olive oil. And of course we're going to need pasta. So get your pasta ready because I'm really going to just concentrate on this sauce. It's really quick and easy. We'll have it done in no time. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. I'm going to drop in that 1 onion. I've sliced my onion. You can chop it small if you want. And we're on an above medium heat. We're also going to go in now with our chicken. 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut it into fairly thin pieces. One tablespoon of chopped garlic. Salt, black pepper, and I'm going to drop those olives in now, get them going. Okay, 3 minutes, keep it moving, we'll have this done in just a few minutes. Beautiful, coming together really nicely. Now going to go in with the mush. A couple of 100 grams there. Cut them chunky, cut them how you like actually. Mine are fairly chunky, but yeah, you can cut them really small. Or if you've got some nice little tiny button ones, they can go in whole. Again, another 3 minutes on this above medium heat. Keep it moving. You can hear we're getting a little bit of moisture from the mushrooms. I'm now going to add in those extra little bell peppers, a little bit of sweet corn, and like I say, some celery, zucchini, eggplant, anything you like really goes, doesn't it? Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of the chili powder and the oregano. And again, another 3 minutes. Keep this moving still. Pretty much done. Okay, so we're above medium heat. We're going to now go to below medium heat, 1 can of tomatoes. And like I say, these were a whole plum tomato that I just roughly crushed. So we've lowered the heat. We're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Got ourselves a nice, quick, easy chicken mushroom pasta. Okay, that's looking beautiful. Next up, pasta. You can put your pasta in like me, or if you want, I'm using a fusilli by the way, you can stick it on top, the sauce on top. I like to kind of mix it in there. And if you find the sauce too dry, which is fine for me here, you could just add a little bit of the pasta water, you know, the water that you cook the pasta in. You could throw a little bit of that in there. Okay, I'm just going to turn the heat up. I'm going to throw this around for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to dish it up. Maybe we'll stick a bit of Parmesan on it. And there you go. Bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. Job done. Nice kind of midweek. I like these in, middle of the week. Nice and easy. No fuss. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really, really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Armaric channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.